Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix highlights not showing in Instagram. There are a few easy steps to fix Instagram story highlights not loading on both iOS and Android. Follow this video. First, check your internet connection. To load your highlights, make sure you have a good internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Second, restart your device. A device restart is a simple yet commonly successful means of addressing minor glitches and issues. After your smartphone has completely restarted, launch Instagram and check to see whether your story highlights are now correctly loading. Third, update your Instagram app. Go to your app store and then search Instagram. And then apply any available updates to keep your app working smoothly. Fourth, clear the cache and data for Instagram. Go to your device settings, then to the app section, and head to Instagram. Next, pick storage and then clear cache. You may also select to clear data if requested by pressing on Clear Data. This procedure may be used to troubleshoot Instagram story highlights not loading. Fifth, log out of Instagram and log back in. 6. Uninstall and reinstall Instagram. And last, contact Instagram support. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.